Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way to download YouTube videos from YouTube. First thing you want to do, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's click on the feed. Let's pick a video you want to download. Let's try to download this BMW video, right? You want to click on the three dots underneath the video, right? And then you want to click on the fourth option, download video. When you click on download video, you will have two options in terms of quality to download the video, 720 and 360. The only thing that I see might be an issue for you is that you should have a YouTube premium subscription. That's the only legitimate way to do so, because remember, there is specific copyright issues with the content that once has been published on YouTube. It's not just with the creator, with the owner of the content, but also with YouTube. So having subscribed to YouTube premium, you will be led to download this content. And very important, you also going to get ad-free experience on YouTube. So you're going to be able to watch videos on the platform without watching ads. This is another beneficial of the platform and the subscription. How this actually going to work out: first month you're going to get for free. You're going to get a free trial. And then the next month will be at $18.99. You want to make sure that you link your iTunes, because this subscription will be linked to iTunes. And you could have automatic renewal, or you can simply manually renew after the period expires. Plenty of options, but remember guys, don't use third-party software to do anything, downloading YouTube content. I know people are using it for Instagram and for TikTok, but I believe on YouTube the story is completely different. So be very careful, be mindful also how you're using the content when you actually download the content. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.